Hi, everyone. Welcome to week 7. We're so close to the end. There's only 1 week left. So this week for week 7, I know this video is going up late, and I'm sorry about that. But I'm also recording this video later, so apologies. But the notes video is already recorded and done and being uploaded. The quiz for this week is already available, and the discussion board is already available. So apologies for not having it up at the same time, but content is there. But so week 7, we got our usual. We got a quiz, we got a discussion board, and we have our notes videos. Important to note and kind of a reminder: next week, week 8, is the last week of class. It's the end. So next week will be the final exam and the final discussion board. On top of those two things, the essay, the proposal for a juvenile program is due that week as well. Those are the three things. And if you're going, wait, Mr. Wheaton, there's still 2 more chapters in lecture, you're right. And I'm going to tell you this now. The video lecture for the final 2 chapters, chapters 13 and 14, will be uploaded later this week. I'm going to give you extra time to have that content so that you can spend that next week, week 8, focusing on the final exam, the paper, and the discussion board. But the discussion board is a simple, easy one. But that's the important thing to note. Like I said, you've made it this far. Hang in there. You're so close to finishing. As a side note, and I genuinely mean this, and I know I've said it before, and you probably think I'm just lying or kidding you, but I'm not. I've been reading the discussion board posts. I have been reading them as I grade them, which is partly why it's taking so long to grade them. You are having amazing conversations and really getting into the nitty gritty, the depth of what this is. And so this is where I say the good news, bad news side of your CJ professor also being an English professor is I know how to ask questions that make you think, that make you go that extra mile. So I know I've given you some real head scratchers at times, but you have been responding in the exact way I had hoped. So thank you very much for doing that. And know that when I'm asking these questions, I'm asking questions that matter in the system. They're things that people don't think about but should. So thank you for engaging in it and not just saying, oh, this is not important. So keep doing good work. Anyway, that's it for this week. If you have any questions or you would like to talk about the paper or the final or whatever it may be, reach out to me via email. We can set something up and we can actually meet over video chat if that works for you, or we can meet in person if you happen to be on one of the campuses. Anyway, thanks for listening. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you all soon.